Right now, Roze done. Roze done. First of all, Spanish Town get a new representative right now in the music business because a year song one of the hottest underground songs right now.
The killer don't walk. Neck dripping and cold one just a keep.
Like when them hear it, the other years them hear it and them must say, yo, the tune are tough, you know, ice, you know.
For the weeks them turn your and grab up your
how you not describe your sound?
Unique and natural, no artificial, no nothing.
See a spin town badness. Yeah.
What's the journey been like for you up to this point?
Well, it's been a rough one. I just always just know say one day, I never know which day, but I just did always know say one day. So I just did keep focused and do what I have to do to maintain myself as I individual.
Catch it boom. Oh, that girl.
So you have a maintenance plan with us?
Yeah, man, we have a maintenance plan, but we can't disclose that right now on live TV. But we have a plan for keep relevant and like as I said, we have a management team. We have strategized everything and not just me. I get up and I work with the 10,000 producer and I release 10,000 songs at one time.
Yeah.
Everything are going hard and well strategized.
It's a structure thing, it's a team thing.
Yeah, it's a team thing, really.
So the song that dropped now, it has buzzed down the place, it go on the thing. Did you find it difficult for really kind of promote with the whole Corona lockdown vibes? Because you know, if the road did not go on right now, the song that would have more than like a big hardcore song.
No, man, no, but we'll find a way to go around the Corona, like just get up and just video yourself and you win some cash. Like just vibe to the video and you win some cash. People find that exciting and everybody want this money, so everybody I go find this song and do what they have to do. And when them do find the song, they must say, song bad.
So you give them money in the promotion?
Yeah, we get a whole heap of money in our promotion, 2 flash records.
How much money 2 flash you give up for the promotion?
A whole heap of money. Promotion cars. We're gonna get 100,000, second place get 60.
100,000?
Yeah.
Second place is 60 and third place what?
Third place I did too much again. Think about 30 or one of them.
So it's too late for me enter?
It's done, man. I will keep a last competition with you again and give us some money and some clothes and a whole heap of things.
Alright.
Yeah.
So would you say that you got the mileage out of that promotion, out of the 200,000 when you're spending on that promotion, that's how you get the mileage out of it?
Yeah, that's when you get a good push out of it. Because most of the video them were big forward in the competition, them go viral. So that really kind of give it a push. Big up yourself, Nana. Nana. She did do the dirt bounce, tie it dirt. Big up yourself, tie it dirt.
Yeah.
But she did do it away. But the people them find it funny, but at the same time it bad.
Yeah.
Some did post the video as a contestant, I think contestant number 3.
Yeah.
And I see the video just start go viral, start go on, you know them page there?
Yeah.
And I so come everybody start love it. When I go up on YouTube and I read the comments them under the song, it I say, oh the girl make me reach over here, say, you know. Yeah, them way there. So big up yourself, Nana.
Who was the actual winner? Who ended up winning? Nana win the money off it?
Nana come second, she get the 60,000. First place Shanti. Shanti did win the first place, Shanti different.
Okay. What was so special about Shanti video?
Shanti, she come with a unique style, like she do everything like the song I say.
Yeah.
Yeah, she do everything with the song I say. She come with a old man style and yeah, she bad.
I will see how the image took out with you. Well, tattoo and a bag
tattoo, man. You know my style.
Yeah.
Yeah, my friend.
So, a long time you have a tattoo, you love tattoo?
Last year, I do my tattoo with them. So a long time, I didn't know I go do some tattoo. But last year, really and truly, I'm sure some tattoo come sit yo. It's time to get the image up and things.
Yeah. So how important is image you find since you made that upgrade there with the image and thing? How important was that to the overall package?
Yeah, because like your image represents you, you know. Like you can't think so you're clean and you don't know if you dress and anything like that, no style. So when I do the image and I want to put myself together proper, like when we go out there, even if nobody don't know me, them just have to stare. And I say, oh, who them wonder, who me, them wonder, who me.
All of them that know you, them
them just have to look.
I'm day in my mood, I'm belly figure, above 100 grand in my suit, girl sit down. She a wine, she a twerk.
Talk to me about the follow-up now, because you have a follow-up song.
Mood. Yeah, mood. The rest of my day in my mood, you know. Yeah. It's a go on with that thing. Right now, it's a go on street.
What is that song about? And you say, where's it in your mood?
As the song I say, my day in my mood and I just sing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just sing how I feel.
So you just in your vibe?
Just in my vibes and put it together. And It's a word.
She a comfy banana for the francs.
Mood are the focus right now.
Mood are the focus right now, and it really give me a good feedback, and I like the feedback when I get from it.
Alright, so what's the goal of all of this? Yeah, you just plan to just put out more singles, or you work towards an EP, an album?
Yeah, we are working on a whole heap of things right now, but for the meantime, we are going to release some singles and go and do the foundation work.
Go and build the momentum.
Yeah.
Who are some of the other artists from maybe even your era, your generation, where you kind of rate artistically?
Yeah, Governor, you see me, Governor MG, you see me, Chronics, Coffee, whole heap of other artists, Vibes Cartel, Nobody, Alkaline, everybody.
Yeah. You have anybody from maybe even the older generations that maybe would have been an influence on you?
Yeah, Bounty Killer and Beanie Man, you don't know the foundation are always there, you know, because I didn't really set the thing and make you know, so you can DJ and do this hardcore dancehall and the PR.
Yeah.
So it's Bounty Killer and all of the elder, Beanie Man, everybody respect every time.
What you most look forward to when the place free up back again now?
Yeah, I just look for the people that can see me up on a stage and see, say, I'm really, this is really destined for, I really find passion in what I do.
Yeah. You're ready for that stage? You're ready for the big one?
Oh,
the big
God,
stage.
man. Yeah, I'm just that, man. Just want to say, yeah.
Rich move.
Yeah.
That's a good. Lastly, now, Roze Dan, tell the people what most makes Roze Dan intense.
Roze Dan, Spain Town badness, you know, the girls, them bubble gum.
Spain Town badness, alright,
Yeah,
that's right there,
right,
Roze Dan.
that's
Chop.